Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 42. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we begin by walking through Ferry Park, cross into Sue Bierman Park, and then head out onto Market Street, passing the Hyde along the way. Ferry Park is a pocket of green space right in the middle of the financial district. It's a favourite spot for office workers on their breaks, benches tucked under the trees, a bit of lawn to stretch out on, and views framed by the tall buildings all around. During the day, the park offers a quiet pause from the rush of the streets. From here, we cross into Sue Bierman Park, which takes up several city blocks. The wide lawns, walkways, and shaded corners are used by all kinds of people. While families and workers pass through, the park is also known as a gathering place for many who are homeless or struggling with mental health challenges. It's a reminder of the complex social realities of San Francisco, beauty and hardship side by side in the city's public spaces. Walking here, you'll see people resting with their belongings, others sitting in groups, and sometimes community outreach workers moving between them. Leaving the park behind, we step out onto Market Street, one of San Francisco's main arteries. Market is broad and always buzzing with energy, traffic flowing into multiple lanes, buses and streetcars weaving through, and a constant stream of pedestrians. The contrast with the parks is immediate. Here, the energy is fast-paced, urban, and noisy. As we continue along Market, we pass the Hyde Regency. The building's bold, tiered concrete facade makes it stand out, but it's the inside that has long captured attention. Its vast atrium is one of the most dramatic indoor spaces in the city. Even from the outside though, the Hyde's presence signals that we're right at the edge of the Embarcadero and the Ferry Building, one of San Francisco's most recognizable landmarks. This walk, from the calm greenery of Ferry Park, through the realities of Sue Bierman Park, and out onto the bustle of Market Street, shows again how quickly San Francisco shifts tone from block to block.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.